I know you're going to hate to hear this, and I'm sorry. You see, luck just doesn't exist, and there's actually a step-by-step blueprint that you could follow to literally force your business to grow. You need to understand that every single business in the world can be broken down into its core components that determine the success that it has. And in today's video, I'm going to break down this blueprint for you so you can quit relying on luck and instead just force your business to grow. Honestly, I think it only makes sense to take a random business idea and map out the exact steps that I would literally take in order to force it to grow. And this layout and blueprint can be applied to every single business model in the entire world. I need you to understand that. I get a lot of guys that are reaching out to me, pitching me on video editing, so let's just use that as an example. So the first thing that we need to do is break the business model down by its individual components. Video editors, I'm pretty sure on the top of my head, only have 3 total pieces that need to be separated. You have the video editing itself, the outreach to the clients, and then the delivery. Now, once we have this entirely broken down, we can just start to prioritize the individual components. Let's go ahead and move on to the second step, which is just simply prioritizing the individual components, okay? We can now understand that 1, we need to be exceptional at video editing, okay? And the better that we are, the less competition that we will have. So learn tools like Blender, After Effects, Adobe Premiere, even DaVinci Resolve. Develop such a unique style that every single person is going to want that style to be applied to their content. And now that you have the actual video editing, all you need to do is just get clients. I mean, you can't be a successful video editor without clients, all right? So quickly ask yourself, what business model entirely relies on video editors? And the one that comes to mind, besides like Hollywood, is YouTubers, okay? They quite literally need videos to be high quality if they want to stand out in this market, especially in this day and age and of how YouTube is going. So all you need to do is collect a very large list of people who are successful on YouTube, and you need to just start doing outreach, okay? Develop a little portfolio of some work that you have and shoot this portfolio to hundreds of YouTubers daily. And since you're the best at what you do, your hit rate is going to be exceptionally high. Now, since you have clients, your delivery has to exceed expectations. You need to deliver fast with high quality content. Otherwise, you're going to lose all your clientele quite quickly. The third and the last thing that you need to do is just simply scale the operation, okay? Now that we have our order of operations prioritized, we can now look at the things that we need to scale. Simply ask yourself, where are the bottlenecks in this business? Now, I'm not a video editor, but I can just identify what the bottlenecks would be, okay? First one is you need to consistently get better at video editing because content generation in general is starting to evolve so quickly. Your style needs to keep up with the new trends. You're going to need to hire somebody to do the outreach for you because outreach in and of itself takes a lot of time. You can hire somebody for like $2 to $5 an hour, and somebody can literally just copy and paste a message over and over to thousands of people weekly, okay? Now, deliverability will also start to get a little bit difficult by yourself, so all you need to do is just train and hire new people who can do the editing for you. Now, all in all, the point I'm trying to make here is people love to overcomplicate their business when realistically, all you need to do is just simply break your business down into a few simple core components that your business relies on and then execute on the prioritization. Business in big picture is actually quite simple and quite easy if you just don't overcomplicate things and just simply do the things that need to be done in order for your business to scale. I mean, in this process, there was zero luck involved, okay? We just simply executed on the things that held the most weight. And that is genuinely how business really is. So, with that being said, my friend, I want you to remember that you always have a friend in me. And if you ever need any help whatsoever in regards to scaling your business, developing a mental fortitude that can conquer the world, whatever it is, you know where to reach me, and I'm more than happy to help.